you different methods to fix your microphone not working on ArcWriter. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So all you need to do is go to settings right here at the bottom right of the screen, and then we are going to go to audio. Now we need to scroll down to the bottom and we will see the voice chat options. So you will obviously need to have your voice chat enabled. You might have it like this, so you just need to turn it on. Then the next thing you should check is the microphone. So this is the input device. You can put in your desired microphone. You can be trying different ones as well. So in my case, by default, it detected this one, but this is not the one that I normally use. And I just need to switch it to this one. So then we can also play with this setting as well. This might cause some problems, so you can turn it off or enable it back again. Now another important thing to see is the party voice chat mode. So you can have it on open microphone, toggle to talk, or push to talk. So basically, if you have it on open microphone, everyone will hear you whenever you are playing. If you have it on toggle to talk, then if you press a key, they will be hearing you until you press that key again. And then push to talk is that people will only hear you while you are pressing or pushing that key. So in this case, the push to talk default key is this one, but you can change it to any other one you want. Then we can also configure the proximity voice chat with the same settings. And that's basically the most important settings that you need to check. Then after that, if nothing works, then you should also check your microphone outside the game. So you can do that on Discord or on Windows. And if nothing works, I recommend you to restart your computer. So that's it. Those are the best ways to fix your microphone not working on ArcWriters. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.